Welcome back to Learn Flute with me. I'm Dr. Nicole Reiner, and I'm here today to talk to you about practicing tricky technical passages. As a flutist, a lot of your music includes fast runs of 16th notes or even shorter note values, and that means a lot of intelligent, targeted practice to make them sound clean, clear, and accurate. The best way to do this is to break down your music into bite-sized pieces, refine, and then put it back together. If you've got a long run that spans an entire measure or more, you should also break it down into smaller chunks, like maybe half measure at a time. Thoughtful repetition is your friend whenever you can't just sight read your music, but it can feel like a grind. You can make it less daunting by setting a timer. For a mere 1 minute every day, you will think only about the small number of notes in front of you, striving to make each repetition better than the last. And when the timer goes off, you've done your duty until tomorrow. The rules. Always use your metronome. Take 1 beat of rest between repetitions to strategize for the next rep. Play the fastest tempo at which you are accurate with good tone and pitch without feeling panicked. And this is best for short sequences, so I'm going to demonstrate on 9 notes of my music. That's half a measure plus the next downbeat for me. I won't play the full minute right now. I'll just show you a few reps so you get the idea. If you're in a rut trying to speed up, you can also alter rhythms. If you like this approach, you might rotate in a different rhythm every day for your daily minute loop. This is a variation of altering rhythms, but instead you're just going to move where the beat occurs. For instance, I'm going to treat the first 2/16ths in my practice chunk as pickups, and I'll have the metronome click on the 3rd 16th note rather than having it click on the first note. Finally, for longer passages in which all or most of the notes just feel unfamiliar, play it all in extremely slow motion, very connected, really feeling yourself glue the notes together with your air. Hopefully this will help you in any passage work you find daunting or that your ears tell you you're not completely nailing. I strongly encourage you to record yourselves before, during, and after this process to track your improvement and get a realistic sense of what needs to be corrected. Be honest with yourselves and face your problems head on. Noticing your improvement and hearing a final product you're proud of will definitely make it worth the work. Thanks for playing along with me. You can find similar videos to help you practice your music creatively at my channel, Nicole Reiner, all within the Learn Flute with Me video series.